Ladies, attention. Start the prayer.
We have come to thank you. We have come to love you, Lord. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe in your love for me, oh Lord. We have come to give you. We have come to ask you. We have come to pray, oh Lord. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe in your love for me, oh Lord. In your love for me, oh Lord.
Today's thought: action is the foundational key to all success. I repeat, action is the foundational key to all success. Thank you.
My dear sir, my brothers and sisters, I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness.
Malaya Jasitalam Sasya Shamalam Mother Vande Mother Shubhra Josna Pulakitayamini Pullakusumita Madara Shobhini Suhasini Sumadura Bhashini Sukadambaram Mother Vande Mother Vande Mother.
Good morning, everyone. We have gathered here this morning to celebrate the investiture ceremony of our school cabinet. This ceremony makes the election of our new student council leaders who will carry the torch of responsibility in the discharging of the various positions of our school council. To begin our event in this morning, it's an honor and privilege for all of us to welcome our honorable correspondent, Reverend Sister Bessie, onto the stage. I also invite our PT Master, Mr. Ramakrishna Nayak, onto the stage to take part in this ceremony. Leaders were the role models who inspire the followers.
With our program, now we have badge distribution of the elected representative of our school cabinet. I have the heroes to do the honor and to pin up the badges on to the position holders so as to instill in the newly elected school prefects a sense of duty and pride. I invite Master M.D. Abdul Rahim and J. Well, we have also elected some students and delegated them the responsibilities as house captains to instill leadership quality and foster a profound sense of belongingness among them and their fellow mates. Captain Master S. Sahamya and T. Vidya to receive the badges from our correspondent. I invite Greenhouse Captain E. Srirasha and G. Sweta to move forward and take the badges from our correspondent Sister Dinaros. Well, I invite Red Horse Captains T. Shivakesav and P. Anusri to receive the badges. Well, now I request C.H. Ritesh and P. Amulya, Yellow House Captains, to move forward and receive the badges from our beloved Sister Dinaros. Now I request the cultural leaders, Anasri and J. Rishi, to move forward and receive the badges from our correspondent sister. Now I request the sports leaders E. Nitish and A. Sai Disha to receive the badges from our beloved sister. Now I request discipline leaders E. Nishan and N. Manaswini to receive the badges from our correspondent. the leaders of Aurora language. The pleasure of requesting our esteemed advisors, Reverend Sister Bessie, to hand over the school flag to head boy and head girl master MD Abdul Rahim and J. Vedapriya as a symbol of discharging the responsibilities to them. With the utmost respect, I humbly request our advisors, Reverend Sister Bessie, to hand over the flags to our school leaders. I'll be honored to request our beloved headmistress, Reverend Sister Bessie, to hand over the house flags to the house captains. I invite Blue House Captain to receive a house flag from our beloved sister. I invite Greenhouse Captains Isri Harsha and Sweta to receive their house flags from our beloved sister. I invite Red House Captains, Master P. Shivakeshav and P. Anusri to receive the flags from our beloved sister. Now I invite Yellow House Captain, Master Ritesh Siat and P. Amulya to receive house flag from our headmistress, Reverend Sister Bessie.
Thank you, sister. Now we are going to have oath-taking ceremony. The rites embodies the essence of responsibility, integrity, and dedication of our student leaders with unwavering commitment, with pledge to uphold the values and principles of our school. Now I invite the school leaders, Master Abdul Rahman and J. Vedapriya onto the stage to take the oath.
Abdul Rahim, take the oath as the school captain.
I, J. Vedapriya, take the oath as the school captain. I am grateful to be elected to this prestigious and responsible post. And today I pledge to dedicate my sincere
the school and discharge my duties and ensure that all students do the same to the full satisfaction of my school management, teachers and my fellow students, to serve the student community with great respect and uphold the name and prestige of the school above my self-esteem, to give more than I receive from the school. I would provide positive leadership and uphold the position to the best of my capabilities, to practice courtesy and patience with my juniors and will be willing to guide them as and when necessary, to conduct myself with integrity and honor, to be fair and just to all with no prejudice towards any person, to use my position only for the welfare of school, teachers and students, be present at all school functions and to encourage student participation for the same and to ensure the smooth conduct of this. I pledge to our school, teachers and my fellow students my devotion and perseverance. Thank you.
Master P. Nitish come to the stage to recite the oath taking.
I, P. Nitish, take the oath as the sports leader.
Start from here. Start.
I, N. Manashwini, taking oath as a discipline leader.
I, E. Nishal, take the oath as the school discipline leader.
I, G. Nehasri, the oath as taken cultural leader.
I, J. Respect, take the oath as cultural leader.
I, Amulya, take the oath as yellow captain.
I, C.H. Ritish, take the oath as yellow house captain.
I, Sweta, take the oath as a greenhouse captain.
I, E. Sriyasha, take the oath as the greenhouse captain.
I, T. Deepika, take the oath as the blue house captain.
I, S. Nehemia, take the oath as blue house captain.
I, Anusi, take the oath as red house captain.
I, T. Shivakeshav, take the oath as the red house captain.
I, Sai Diksha, take the oath as sports leader. I, V. Absarka, take oath as a language leader.
I, Arishwak, taking the oath as a language leader.
I am grateful to be elected to this prestigious and responsible post. And today I pledge to dedicate my sincere efforts towards upholding the sanctity and dignity attached to the name of Blessed Alfonso Convent High School and the house I represent here to abide by rules and regulations of the school and discharge my duties and ensure that all students do the same to the full satisfaction of my school management, teachers and my fellow students, to serve the student community with great respect and uphold the name and prestige of the school above my self-esteem, to give more than I receive from the school. I will provide positive leadership and uphold the position to the best of my capabilities, to practice courtesy and patience with my juniors and will be willing to guide them as and when necessary, to conduct myself with integrity and honor and lead my house with true sportsman spirit, to be fair and just to all with no prejudice towards any person, to use my position only for the welfare of school, teachers and students, be present at all school functions and to encourage student participation for the same and to ensure the smooth conduct of
also inspire us to embrace the values of discipline, teamwork, and unwavering spirit in their duties. Thank you, sir. In this auspicious moment, with profound respect and excitement, may I request our Honorable Headmistress Reverend Sister Bessie to inspire our cabinet leaders with her words of encouragement and guidance.
And I thank each and everyone who participated in this program. Thank you very much.